So I've never left a review before, especially a video review, but I saw some guys leave 1-star reviews because they heard it clanking. You're dumb if you think it's not supposed to do that. There's a anvil in there that's what makes it hammer. So that's normal. All impacts do it. Obviously, the older it is, the more wore out it's going to sound, but air impacts, they're all you're gonna hear the anvil move, and all impacts, even a brand new one. So if anybody's watching their videos making that your decision on why not to buy it, those guys are dumb. It's fine, that's normal. If you hear a clunk, it's an anvil racking back and forth in there. So good impact, feels good. I haven't even put a battery in it yet. I just thought those were funny. Wanted to clarify that for anybody confused.
Just FYI, every Milwaukee impact does that with the battery. It's for when it falls on the ground, it absorbs it when it hits the ground. If you guys know that. And the noise in the stuff, every Milwaukee or every impact does that. There's an anvil inside there that goes in there and acts like a hammer.
I've had plenty of Milwaukees and I've never had none of them do that. Something seems loose in there, and definitely not keeping this crap.